everyone. I was busy making my own blending tool pads, these things, yeah, which you put on the blending tool from, I think, distress inks and such kind of inks. And well, I think maybe I had a few left, but well, I didn't bought a big well, a big amount of them, so I think maybe I can make them myself. So, well, what I needed was my cuttlebug and this stuff. I got it from a thrift store. It's just right for it because, well, it's almost the same thickness and material. You can't see it that I will get a clean one so you can watch it better. So it's almost the same material. I don't know if you can see it, but well, I'm lucky, I know. And I have these things. We call it glitterband. I don't know how you call it, but yeah, that's Dutch and that's German. Well, it's adhesive. Well, it sticks. It's the same as on the pads. That one is on the pad, that side, and that side is on the blending tool itself. So, and I have them in black and white, and I have squares and tape, and I have little circles. Well, I use the little circles. Oh, you see? Those are the things, the soft side and the sticky side, and I use those. I made a few already, and I'll show you how I do it. I make my sandwich. You have to well, figure it out what sandwich you have to make. Then I get my circle die. I use this one. It's the same size as well, almost the same size, like so. I put it on here. I put the plate on and I pull it through, forward and backward. And now, well, oh yeah, you can see it. It's out, like so. So now I have a little circle. Oh, that's one I bought. It's a bit thicker. Then I get such a thing, not the sticky side, but the non-sticky side. Well, these are a bit smaller. And I get a black one because you can see it then. Oh, like so. I'm sticking it on, like so. And then it fits on the blending tool, like so. Well, it works. This is with a white piece. And that's it. And when you think that's too small, well, you have to have bigger ones. These are bigger, like so. But these are only the sticky side, the sticky sides. I don't know where the soft sides are. If you can, I did it before with a piece of square, you see, and I adhered it on the thing itself, on the material itself, and then I cut it out, and I got this one. Looking for it. It's a bit messy here because I'm always working messy. So, oh, that's this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's on this side. It's a bit squeezed, but with a little bit of patience it will pop up again. And then you get this one, these ones. So then you have the whole thing covered with that stuff. I don't know if I have more of it. One moment. Oh yes, this here is a soft side. Oh, it's very sticky. Ew. So I had, this one is a bit bigger, I think. Yes, this one is a bit bigger. And this is a soft side. So I put it on there. So this one is a bit bigger. But this works too. Like so. Well, that's what I wanted to show you. And I'm very happy with it. I will make some more, and I can blend again. I thought, I'm back again. I thought I show you how it works with, I'll zoom in a bit. So, how it works with when you use the original one. That's the original one. Oh, they curl up a bit. So, now it's right. And a homemade one. So, like so. And now we can see the difference. I first use the original one. Oh, it's beautiful stuff, that distress oxide. Yes, that's the original one, and now I have to ink it up very well. I use the homemade one, and I hope, well, it works as well. I'm not an expert in blending, but, well, I don't know if you see the difference. Well, there isn't any. Not in my opinion. Well, it works. That's the original one again. Well, I don't see any difference. So it works. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.